Hello everyone, as the weather gets cooler in autumn and winter, I always crave a bowl of hot soup. Seaweed and egg drop soup may seem simple, but many people make mistakes with it. There are actually some tricks to getting it right. Today, I'll share the correct way to make it. Once it's done, the soup is delicious, nutritious, and tasty. Let's take a look together. First, prepare a piece of dried seaweed, tear it into small pieces by hand, and put it into a large bowl. Seaweed is very nutritious and has a delicious flavor, making it especially suitable for soup. After tearing it up, add warm water, just enough to cover the seaweed. Let the seaweed soak and set it aside for later use. Next, prepare a few green onions and chop them into small pieces. Once chopped, place them on a plate and set aside. Cut an appropriate amount of cilantro into sections. After cutting, mix it together with the chopped green onions. Next, prepare a small bowl and add a spoonful of cornstarch. Then add half a bowl of water. Stir thoroughly with a spoon until well mixed. Set it aside for now. Next, crack 2 fresh eggs into a bowl. Beat them well with chopsticks. After beating, set aside for later use. Next, heat some water in a pot. Then turn the heat to high and bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, drain the soaked seaweed and place it in a large bowl. Add the chopped green onions. Add the cilantro as well, along with an appropriate amount of sun-dried shrimp for extra flavor and calcium, and a little white pepper powder. Set it aside for now. Once the water in the pot comes to a boil, add a spoonful of salt to enhance the base flavor, and a spoonful of chicken bouillon. Stir with a spoon until dissolved. Then gradually add the cornstarch slurry in small amounts to thicken the soup, stirring well with a spoon each time. Just let the soup become slightly thickened. Next, drizzle the beaten egg into the pot, 1 spoonful at a time, making sure to add it gradually in small amounts. This way, you'll get beautiful egg ribbons, and the eggs won't foam easily. Just like you see in the video, that's perfect. Then gently stir with a spoon. Let all the egg ribbons float to the surface, and that's it, turn off the heat. Now pour the egg drop soup over the bowl of seaweed. Drizzle a little sesame oil on top. Stir everything well, and that's it. Wow, it smells amazing. A delicious bowl of seaweed and egg drop soup is ready. The soup is fresh and flavorful, rich in nutrients, and truly tastes wonderful. When the weather gets cold, having a hot bowl of this soup warms both your heart and your stomach. If you like it, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others. Thank you for your support.